Hi. This video we will share you the details as you requested for the project and the timesheet, which you felt like little confusing there. So what I'll do here is I'll just create you a small video which you can refer back whenever you require it. So whenever you have a new project, what you need to do here is there are three steps which you need to do inside the project. That is like creating a project, creating the stages for the project, creating the task for the project. So this video we will be talking about these three things which we consider as master data for the project, which is pretty easy. You can go to the project module here. So when you go to the project, you can click on the create button. When you click on the create button, you can give the name. So I'm just giving the name as Bistras, clicking on the create. So once you do that, you're done with the first job, that is like creating the project. It automatically comes with the second job, that is like it is asking you to create the project status. So I'm creating the status as new. I can just type it here. There is a colon here and I can click on the add and I can put it like completed. Now if you want, you can add more, but I'm not using because I just want to understand that how many tasks do I have and what stage it is. So right now we did the second task, which is like first we created the project, then we created the project status. So you can see that you have two status here. One is completed, another one is new. Now the third thing what you need to do here is you need to actually create the task inside it. So how do we create the task? It is by clicking on the either you can click on this create button on the top and it will come up with a screen similar to this. You can tell what is a task. So let's say that my first task is like survey. I can put it survey and I can click on the add button, so it will create a survey task for me. Now by default what happens here is which user have created this thing, all the tasks will be assigned to him. Now if you want to do more details about it, you have these three dots, you have edit task. You can actually come down to the screen where you can tell more things about it. For example, this is assigned to probably Abdullah, and I have a deadline for this job to be completed. So I can tell the deadline here. Now, how much time do I expect this operation? Maybe like 10 hours. So I can give these kind of additional things and I can click on the save button. Now, when you click on the save button, it completes that task which is created. And if you look into the top of it, you can see that you're currently under the project, under the task, where you have the task name called a survey. So if you want to go back to the previous screen where you have all the tasks where you can create another task, you can click on this task screen and you have the provision to click on create again and I can create another task. So probably this time I can tell uh, you know documentation. I'm just writing. Now in your case you can actually tell cleaning that stuff or whatever it is. Now either I can click on the save or I can directly click on the edit where I can get the detail window where I can actually fill in all those things. So I'm just putting it like 20 hours for documentation. I'm just telling that this deadline is to be this date, saving and closing it. Now this can be continued to how many ever tasks do you have it. And if you look at the screen, you can see all the tasks here. On the right side of it, you have this list view. You can click on the list view. It will tell you that what is the task that you have there, and planned hours is 10 hours. This is 20 hours. What is the stage? How much it is completed? All those information can be seen there. So this is how you do actually create a project. So by this, the master data will be completed. This is something which a project manager or a project person who manages a project needs to do when they actually start a new project. Thank you.